Hi everyone, this video is to show you how to open the back cover of a cheap Chinese watch. Why is a Chinese watch different from other watches? Is because Chinese cheap watches don't have an opening so that you can pry the back cover open. This is a snap-on cover and you want to do this to change the battery, for instance. Even though it's a cheap Chinese watch, it's good to look at. It doesn't feel cheap, so if the battery is empty, it's better to change it. To do this, you should be patient first of all, and you shouldn't mind scratching a little bit the back of the watch. So if it gets scratched, it's not a big deal. What you should do is bring a precision screwdriver. I'm using here a 2.4 millimeter screwdriver, and we're gonna force the back cover to open. You should be very careful when you force the back cover to open not to put your fingers here, because if it slips, it's gonna hurt you. So choose somewhere that you can have like a lever to open it. What I'm gonna do here is put this one here and just put it like this. Careful of your fingers, as I said before. So what I'm doing is I'm doing this. It's not an easy job. It can get messy sometimes, so should be patient, as I said. Here it is. Now the back cover is opened. You see it's tiny mechanism for the watch. You should remove this plastic spacer. Careful not to lose it. And this is the battery. Just remove the battery. Here you go. And that's it. Now you can put on the new battery. Let's say this is a new battery. Replace the spacer carefully. See, it's placed carefully. And you just push this back its place. Careful. It has an opening here. It should go, of course, where it should go. So align it very carefully, and with a little bit of force it should go into place. Here you go, it's in its place. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.